Yes or no? Yes, don't be shy. One of the videos that has gone viral amongst the many is this, this leader of this HTS, Abu Muhammad al-Jawlani, who comes into this Jami al-Umawi, the Grand Umayyad Mosque in Damascus, and he gives his victory speech or his khutbah. Hayat Tahrir Sham, HTS, Abu Muhammad Jawlani, who has a past with Al-Qaeda and ISIS, and he says he's resigned from there, quote unquote. He's no longer part of them. But I guess only time will tell. After Syria has been taken by them, out of all places, he decides to give his khutbah in the same place where Yazid would sit and speak. In other words, openly proclaiming and announcing his association with Banū Umayya. And they don't hide it. There are videos out there where they say Banū Umayya has returned to Damascus. We're the sons of Muawiyah. So he gives his speech in the same place, Jami al-Umawi, Umayyad Grand Mosque, where he announces the victory and he says what he has to say. He gives his khutbah there. That place is very important for them because from this place, the Umayyads ruled Damascus, Ash-Sham. Yet the reality is this place is not only important to Banū Umayya, it's also important to Banū Hashim. Because some of the most difficult times on Banū Hashim were in this mosque. And he wasn't the only one to give a khutbah. There are others who gave khutbahs there that to this date remain amongst the most important sermons in Islamic history. The khutbah of Imam Sajjad and the khutbah of Sayyida Zainab. Now just listen to this, compare. When it comes to bravery and jurat. These are the children of Ali ibn Abi Talib. These are the grandchildren of Abu Talib. How did al-Jawlani give his speech? You look at the video. He's surrounded by his men who are armed to the teeth. The majma, the crowd is cheering him, supporting him. They're with him. All of them want to hear what he has to say. In other words, he is in his own hometown amongst his own people being cheered with his own guards. Yet you know how Sayyida Zainab gave her fiery sermon. She was not in her own hometown. She was not supported by guards. She was surrounded by the enemies. She was with her nephew who was in chains and shackles. She was not cheered by the people. In fact, they did everything they could to try to quieten her down. They tried to stop the sermons of Al-Muhammad. Yes? Now you tell me who's brave, who's the true conqueror of Syria. And out of all the things that she said, one line sticks out, and it was to Yazid. But it wasn't specific to him for all of time. Ya Yazid, kid kaidak was asayak. For anyone who stands in place of Yazid like this, al-Jawlani, do plan and plot, do what you want. For wallahi la tamhu dhikrana. By God, you will never be able to erase the dhikr, the remembrance of Muhammad and the family of Muhammad. Yazid has come and gone. Others have come and gone. All sorts of Umayyads have passed. The time of Bashar al-Assad is gone. The time of al-Jawlani will finish. Yet if there's one name that lives on in Damascus, it is the name of Sayyida Zainab and Sayyida Ruqayya.